About to go pick up a Nintendo 3DS XL plus Pokemon Pearl complete in box for 110 bucks. How's it going, man? Yep, you gonna help that out. Oh, cool, man. So
yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's all from when I was a kid.
Do we say 110 or 115? 110.
Okay, sorry.
Redwood Falls, I've camped there before.
Really?
Yeah. If you would have listed your stuff in Redwood Falls about 6 months ago when I was living there, I would have jumped right on that. You got 100 people message you on this? Yeah, you'll have no trouble selling all this stuff. I appreciate this for now.
Yeah, man.
Thank you. Finished up that deal. The guy was actually kind of cool. He was from Minnesota, small town in Minnesota, Redwood Falls, if you know where that is. And if you know me, I'm from Fargo Moorhead. Anyways, it turned out to be the Mario Edition 3DS XL, which is awesome. I'm not sure if this affects the value too much, but he replaced the screen. No stylus. And Pokemon Pearl complete in box. So that's awesome. Again, I paid 110 for everything, but we ain't done yet. We're heading to the next. Wheela with some solid titles for 60 bucks. Let me explain to you how I got it. I have a post on Facebook Marketplace right now where I'm looking to trade an OLED Switch for older, retro, or even modern video game collections. Now, this person offered a Wii with some games. Clearly, that wasn't quite enough for a trade, but typically what I do when people make offers like this, I let them know that I also purchase video games and systems. She was open to the idea, so I asked her how much she was asking, and she actually tossed me a fair number, 75 bucks. And after a little bit of negotiation, I got her down to 60 bucks. But yeah, some solid titles in here, man. Wii Sports Resort, Super Mario Bros. So I'm definitely not disappointed, looking to make some profit here. On my way to pick it up right now. Let's do it.
The Mario games in the console.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Quick breakdown of the Wii. I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible. Right off the bat, we got Wii Sports, a second copy of Wii Sports, Wii Play, Wii Sports Resort, Mario Kart Wii, Game Party, Super Mario Bros. Wii Baby, and Disney Think Fast. In the box, we have a Nintendo Wii console, GameCube ready. Looks like we have 2 Nerf wheels here. We got a Wii stand, little Tupperware container here full of attachments, and a bonus nunchuck. 1, 2, 3 nunchucks. 1, 2, 3, 4 Wiimotes. And of course the good old cords. I'm gonna test this out, get it listed, and move on to the next deal. Okay guys, we just sealed another deal. I need to rush over there quick. It's a Rock Band set, Guitar Hero 3 Legends of Rock set, and a PS3, all for 175 bucks. She had it listed for 200. I made an offer of 160. She countered with 175, but I believe the whole lot is worth somewhere upwards of 500 bucks. So I am happy with this deal. Wish me luck.
How's it going, man?
How's it going?
You here for the PlayStation?
Yeah, PlayStation 3, Rock Band, Guitar Hero.
Yeah, I'm gonna open that garage.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, I'll meet you
over there.
Yes. That's everything?
Yeah, everything for Guitar Hero is in the Guitar Hero box. The drums, drumsticks. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this cluster mess we have here, and let me show you guys some of the comps that we're looking at. Starting off, we have a PS3 Slim. I already tested it up. It works. Pretty good condition, a little dusty, but I'm not upset about that. We got it for super cheap, so we're happy here. Next up, Guitar Hero 3 Legends of Rock complete in box for PlayStation 3. I know these things push $100, so when this was included in the lot, I knew I had to scoop it up quick. And it's in really good condition. Unfortunately, it has a couple stickers on it, but that's not that big of a deal. It comes with the game, all the original packaging, cardboard, which is definitely a plus. This is complete. And what you're mainly looking at in these bundles is the dongle, so I'm really glad they included that, and they made sure to tell me that it was included before I did the purchase. Now, to start off with the Rock Band set, it came with 2 Fender Stratocaster guitars and both the dongles. Now, without these dongles, these aren't worth that much money, but with the dongles, we're sitting a little bit higher. Both guitars have been tested. They both work just right. A few games were included, Madden 12 and obviously Rock Band. And here's the contents of the box. The entire drum set, we got the pedal, microphone even, that's definitely a plus. Haven't yet gotten around to testing this out. And yeah, a little deeper, we got the cords for the PS3 and a controller. $175. Happy to make a little bit of profit to reinvest back into the business. Cost of everything in this video was $185. Shipping would be around $75. Fees on everything is $144. If everything was sold today, we'd make $1,030, leaving us with a nice little profit of $626. Let me know in the comments your favorite pickup today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.